Hey everyone, check out what's behind me. So this Gleaner combine back here has been making the show circuit. It was just at the Ohio Farm Science Review in London, Ohio, and now it is at a dealer for a few days here in my home county. Let's take a look at this thing. This is my third time seeing this machine. It was at the Farm Progress Show in Decatur, Illinois. It was also at the Ohio Farm Science Review in London, Ohio, and now it is here in Northstar, Ohio. So Gleaner is celebrating 100 years of self-propelled combines, and they put this special wrap on this machine. As I walk around it, it kind of tells the history of Gleaner combines. As far as I know, this special wrap here is a 1 of 1. There's also a 1/64 scale model coming that will certainly be in my toy tractor collection. I'll walk around this a couple times here with the camera, try to go nice and slow so everybody can see everything that's on this machine. And that's going to do it. I really don't know what the plans are for this machine, if we'll ever see it out in the field or not, but would make a pretty cool YouTube video. I know a guy that has cameras, drones, and likes to make YouTube videos of farm machinery, so who knows? Stay tuned. And fast forward to June 8th, 2026. Back in 2023, when I made that comment about hoping to catch this thing out in the field, didn't know if that would ever really happen or not. Now, last summer, I caught up with the Gleaner Harvest Crew van out in Oklahoma, and they told me that Phersons Harvesting out of Rutland, North Dakota, was the owner of this machine. I think they run a total of 4 Gleaner combines, and I just happened to stumble upon this thing just south of Pratt, Kansas. Now, due to the drought in the area and the wheat not being great, they only brought 2 of their 4 machines down here to Kansas. So they're running this 100-year anniversary one, and you'll also see one of their S97s there. That's also another Centennial Edition, has the decal on it right there. So both 2023 combines running here. Both these combines are set up with MacDon FD240 draper heads. I found these guys just in time to get some nice sunset photos here. They're cutting some fields that have a lot of terraces in them. That's why they're not going straight back and forth. Anyways, got lots of good drone shots of both machines here in the wheat field. going to do it for this video. If you would, please go down there, hit that like button. Feel free to leave a comment. If you're new to my channel, I would appreciate if you would hit that subscribe button and check back often for new videos. I am always filming, editing, and uploading new content. You can also follow me along on Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok at Farmhand Mike. As always, thank you for watching, and I will catch you on the next video.